Now. Good morning, this is Jack Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is a pre-market webinar for the morning of Thursday, the 27th of February. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Obviously the bigger picture on Bitcoin, I'm watching this double top, which has broken down with a target in the 69,000 to 70,000 area, and obviously is a match with both a back test of this big support area, big and obvious support area here, 65k to 74k, and the rising support trend line here. So I'm wondering about that. There's been a lot of wild talk. I have to say a lot of the talk's very uninformed and doesn't really know a lot. I mean, I was talking to someone was talking about Bitcoin crashing yesterday. You see a crash here? Because I sure don't. I'm seeing a possible backtest of a big broken resistance area, but I'm absolutely not seeing a crash. We've got an RSI 5 sell signal that's fixed. We've got an RSI 14 sell signal. The RSI 5 sell signal on the weekly has made target now, but obviously we won't know whether it's made target for sure until the end of the week. So it depends whether we see a big rally before then. RSI 14 sell signal has reached the 50 level on the daily chart. The RSI 14 sell signal on the daily made target, and you can see the double top is broken down. Waiting to see if that makes target. I've got to say it's a very, very nice technical target if it does make target, but it's an area where I'd really be looking for some fairly strong support. On the hourly chart, no current divergence. Almost had some, but got a bit over the 50 level there, and I tend to discard them after that. No obvious reversal pattern here at the moment. Looking at Solana. Solana on the daily chart, we could set up some very nice positive divergence on the RSI 14 here if we see a rally and a retest, and we've already got a possible RSI 5 buy signal brewing. This could deliver a big rally, and obviously this has been hammered. I think much of this coming from the Libra scandal and so on. But the thing is, of course, Solana is the easiest of the cryptocurrencies to really do something with. It's the easiest to transact business on, it's the cheapest, it's the fastest. Obviously all the meme coins tend to go on it, and a lot of the meme coins involve fraud. Nothing has really fundamentally changed here, and I'm leaning bullish on Solana. I think we might go down a little further. The key level I'm watching here is this, with this big flag here. The bottom of that flag was at 110.02. We need to respect that level, otherwise I will be wondering whether the bull market is finished. Until then, above that, I'm not really that concerned about it, particularly with Bitcoin really holding up extremely well. Looking at the hourly chart on Solana, no current divergence. This was very weak here, and we actually had buy signals on both the hourly RSI 14 and RSI 5, which failed. I still like this pattern setup here of this wedge. We've now got a nice looking little level bottom here. If we see a sustained break up over about 147, then this would have a target at about the 164 area, which could take us over that wedge resistance. But I'm leaning towards seeing some decent upside movement here. We went and hit the 3 SD lower band 2 days running. Normally I'd expect to see a bit of a rally after this. We will see. Looking at Ethereum, no current divergence and not close to any. We came down and made the head shoulder target in effect at 2135, although I had the target very slightly lower at a retest of 2121. I am wondering if that might get a retest, and we're getting closer to that retest. If we do see a retest, that could be the second low of a double bottom. I don't have an obvious pattern set up here at the moment, but I would quite like that double bottom. On an Ethereum, this is a huge support area. I've marked it in. It's big. It's nice. And we've seen this has been a big dividing line here. And if we again broke below this, I would be wondering if the bull market had ended. But I don't think there's a really strong argument at the moment that the bull market has ended. It's possible. But I'm not seeing as particularly likely. We shall see how that goes. Anyway, I'm thinking, well, on equities, it's looking as though we might see retests of the low tomorrow and possibly a rally after that. We might see the same on crypto, but crypto hasn't been following equities as well in recent days. Most of this decline on crypto was already done before equities really got started going to the upside. So we could again see this bottom earlier than equities. We shall see. All right, great. In that case, let's have a quick look. And do we have questions? Yeah, my pleasure as always, mate. It's and I'll have everything posted shortly, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.